What is going on, people, and welcome back to the channel. We've got a little bit of a technical series going on here, and what I'm going to cover is the full camper van install or vehicle electric installs, and I'm going to cover all the bases. So if you're thinking about converting a camper van, this is the series for you. I did originally record this in one full video, but it got quite large. It got to like 35 minutes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break it down into individual videos, which you can find down below in the description, and I'm going to cover individual components such as your battery, your charge converters, your inverters, electrical appliances, solar panels, MPPT controllers. Everything's going to be covered. Top tips, things to do, things not to do, how to do it safely. And any questions you can fire away down below, and I might even make a video to that specific topic if it's a common question. So first of all, you might be thinking, what gives me the right to tell you how to wire your vehicle? Now, I'm an electrical engineer. I've been an electrical engineer for 10 years, and I have wired a few vehicles in my time. I've done domestic installations, but the majority of my work has been done on generators and installations such as that. Now, you might think that's massively different to a camper van build. However, as soon as you put your inverter in there and you've got your vehicle engine running that, in essence, you've then created a generator. So a lot of it is very, very similar. Earthing the chassis and all that sort of stuff is very, very similar. And I'm going to go through some stuff what I've learned along the way, some safe practices, and hopefully get you to a standard where you can safely wire your own vehicle. It's not the wizardry what all the professionals make out on the forums. It's doable, it's perfectly doable. It's not too complex of a system to get involved with. So don't worry yourself. If you follow these videos, follow the tips what I supply you, you'll get on just fine. I look forward to seeing you in the next videos.